Hello, everyone. I have a very special announcement. If you are a solopreneur looking to make 100K or six figures this year, listen up because I have a new workshop for you. This workshop is called the 100K Content Sales System, and it is going to teach you exactly what to do in order to hit six figures this year just using your content. Now, for me, I was able to hit six figures in my first year full time. I've also, since then, I made 120 in my first K, $120,000 in my first year full time. And then in my second, in 2023, I was able to make 156, even though I switched niches from career coaching to business coaching. And then in 2024, I hit $371,000. And since that 2024 year, I have not only made 100K years, but I've made 100K quarterly. And I want to teach you exactly how I'm able to do that through content. Now, within this, the reason why I'm hosting it on May 19th at 8 p.m. Eastern is because I know we're about to head into the summer season. And if you would like to join in this workshop after the May 19th date, I will include a way for you to watch the replay and still get involved. But the reason why I'm specifically wanting to host this for everyone is I know that most people, as we head into summer, experience a slip in sales. Now, this slip can happen for many reasons. I think a lot of times people assume that people aren't ready to buy within the second quarter of the year. They're like, oh, they're on vacation. And so I think that a lot of us tend to take our foot off the gas and kind of relax a little bit. And that is a huge advantage for anyone that is coming to this workshop because so many of your competitors are going to be taking time. They're going to be relaxing over the summer. And there are people that want to buy from you right now that you are going to be able to beat out the competition and actually sign clients over the summer. And that is exactly why I'm hosting this workshop. One of my clients, Tracia, who is one of my amazing clients, I hope to have her on the podcast at some point soon, but she was able to go after an 18-month consult drought. I'm talking 18 months, a year and a half of no consults. She had an 18K week. And I want that for each and every one of you. And that happened for her, I'm pretty sure, at the end of the summer because of the things that I'm going to teach you within this workshop. So for me, one of the things that I have found is that there are three different reasons why, or three different aspects that I'm going to be teaching you within this workshop of how to create really, really high converting sales over the summer to hit six figures. The first thing is I know that you have an amazing offer. You are a service provider, you're helping people. Of course, if you want to hit six figures, you know that you're able to do that. But what I found is that a lot of people, they don't know how to communicate their offer clearly, and they don't have a signature six-figure offer. That's a huge piece that's keeping you from making six figures this year. Because if you want to have a six-figure business, what I did and what I'll talk to you about is how to create a formula that makes your brand stand out. For instance, when I went from Megan Wing Coaching to the Career Fulfillment Initiative, I doubled my consults just within a month. And that is something I want for each and every one of you as well. The other thing that I'm going to be teaching you is how to talk about your service in a way that compels even strangers to start working with you. So I'm going to talk to you about how to create a three-part sales framework within your content. It is something that I have found has worked for all of my clients. And not only are you going to be hitting on things that get your audience to get to know you, like you, and trust you, but it also makes your marketing super simple. So I want you to get sales over the summer, but I don't want your entire summer to be spent behind a computer and a phone. I want you actually having a life. I want you spending time with your family. I want you to feel like amazing with your legacy that you're creating with your business, but I want you to have a life too. So within the content sales system that I'm going to be teaching you, it's something that you can do within 90 minutes a week, and it's something that can quickly be done so that you can hit all the target parts of your audience while also not being glued to your phone. So that is the second thing that I'm going to be teaching. And then the last thing I'm going to be talking about is how to really have conversations with leads and how to psychologically drive conversations that move forward to sales. Now, this is something that I have found that most people are lacking within their business. They are feeling like they want to wait for people to come to them. And if you want to hit six figures this year, if you've got the tenacity and drive to make that happen, you can't just sit on your laurels and wait for people to come to you. You need to go out there and show them that you're going to take care of them, that you are the best service provider for them. And that means having conversations that are relevant to the problems that they want to solve. I also have found that so many people, and actually, the next two podcast episodes I'm going to be doing is going to be a two-part series on relevancy and urgency. But I found that so many people aren't saying the things that you need to get people excited to work with you. You're thinking about selling things that are related to you, not necessarily something that they want to buy. And I actually had an experience of this recently where I was talking with somebody, and I don't typically do my work in person at this time. I might be getting into that in the future, but they were really trying to sell me on cardstock business cards. And again, I encourage so many of my clients to do things in person, but for me, that's not the way I'm bringing in clients right now. My main method of client acquisition is through online services. So what I found is that when I was going to try and purchase something from this person, they were really trying to sell me on business cards. And I had to at one point say, I'm not getting the business cards from you. I don't want business cards. I really appreciate it. Here's what I do need, and I need you to, could you explain to me more about the things that I do need? And I think that so many of us think about, okay, I know this is great. I want to sell people on this, but we want to make sure that it's relevant and urgent to the problems that our clients actually want to solve, which means that you need to understand how to drive a conversation forward, how to talk about things that are not just random topics. It might be great to talk to somebody about where did you get that dress, but if you're not a personal stylist, that's not what we want driving our conversations. I want you talking about your service with people who actually want to buy from you. And that's what we're going to talk about, making six figures within the 100K content sales system. And I want to tell you that the things that you are going to learn at this workshop, which is $12. So I'm going to tell you there's another thing that I'm adding to this workshop to make it even more exciting. But one of the things that I found is that you are going to learn the same things that my client, I told you about Tracia, but one of my other clients, Jocelyn, she literally created her six-figure offer. And in that first month, she just announced it. She just announced it to her audience. She said, hey, this is what I'm doing now. And she was able to sign 3 clients in her first month. I want you to imagine, depending on how much your offer is, how many clients do you really need to hit six figures? And so go ahead and do that math. Let's say you have a $2,000 offer. You would need 50 clients to hit six figures. And one of the things that I have found is that for people who are trying to hit six figures, you might start your offer at 2K. But one of the things that elevates you to a six-figure offer is also creating an offer that requires or it has the demand that is ready for higher pricing. So let's say you have 2K and that is the price of your offer. And let's say your program is like 3 months, right? So let's say within those 50 people that you would be working with, I'm doing quick maths here. So you would have 12 and a half to around 13 clients a month that a quarter that you would be serving. And so you'd have them for the first quarter, 13, the second quarter, 13, third quarter, 13, fourth quarter, 13, which I think sounds honestly really reasonable. Like if you are thinking about creating an offer that you can deliver, I think even on part-time hours, if we were to break down that 12 to 13, that could be seeing 3 to 4 clients every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then you have Fridays off. So for you, I want you to think about, okay, that really does sound very reasonable, but If you want to create a six-figure year, I would recommend that you even might increase your prices, which means that you need to speak about your offer in a way that people are throwing money at you, that they are excited to buy from you. And let's say that same person has a 5K offer instead of a 2K offer. That would mean you are only serving 5 clients a quarter. So for you, what I would like to do is I'm not only going to be talking to you about that first, bringing that first little bit of demand, but I'm also going to be talking to you about raising your prices because as a six-figure coach or as a six-figure service provider, you want to make sure that you're positioning yourself as such. I was positioning myself like a six-figure owner, a six-figure business owner when I made 47K part-time the year before. You want to present yourself like you are the best option for people. You want to have testimonials rolling in so that people don't blink an eye at your pricing and you feel so sold on that as well. So that's another thing that we're going to be talking about within this workshop. And then last but not least, the what do you get when you pay the $12? So first and foremost, I think just paying the $12 just to come and understand this workshop is going to be pivotal for you because I know that so many of you guys are posting based on inspiration, taking it day by day versus posting your content monthly, having an actual plan for it. I also know that you might be creating content that you haven't gotten a sale from. I've talked with so many people that are like, yeah, do you actually sign people from social media? Because I've only signed people who are referrals or people from word of mouth or from networking events that I've done in person. And I'm like, absolutely. There is a way for you to create that relationship online just as easily as in person. And I also want to show you how taking that time to create more visibility really might not be converting for you. And I want to make sure that you are able to hit these 8K months because that's what you need to hit six figures, 8,333 to be exact. But the nice part about this is the things I'm going to be teaching, you don't need to go viral. I've never gone viral. I still haven't. I still have around 300 views per reel, and I've made over $800,000 in my 4.5 years of business. You don't need a huge following. I've only had 3,000 people following me for the past 4 years of my business. I'm getting a few more every single week, but that's not a huge following. Definitely not even at 5,000 followers. And you don't need hours of daily content creation or years of business experience. You just need these three simple systems, and those combine to be the 100K content sales system. So if you really do want to be looking at your bank account and seeing 100K made, this is going to be the amazing thing for you. Now, for those of you that are joining, I want you to know that I'm not just giving you this workshop. I'm also going to be giving you a separate portal that you are going to get a login for, and you are going to be able to get resources with this as well. So you're going to have access to the psychology-driven content calendar, and you're going to be able to figure out how to do different posts that drive your business forward. You are going to get 15 high converting content templates and a proven 3-part system sales framework that you can use within your DMs. So all that's included, along with at the webinar, I'm going to be doing a content audit, and I'm going to talk you through 3 different pieces of content. But I want to give you personally, even if you're listening to this in 2026, I want to give you a content audit as well. So when you get access to this, not only do you get a private portal that has the replay of the workshop and all these resources inside, but you're also going to get access to the Solopreneur Success Systems Facebook group. In that group, we post weekly things that can help your business grow. You're going to get access to podcast episodes, prompts, templates, worksheets. All of those things are going to be included within the Facebook group. And you're going to be able to submit a piece of content edited by yours truly that you are going to be able to get within a week. So you can submit something to me that you want to post a week from now, and I'm going to tell you why it may not be converting for you and give you things that you can do to make it something that is so compelling, something that is so exciting for your audience that you are going to be able to convert from there. So these are my thoughts for you. I would love, love, love to invite you to the 100K content sales system. This is a paid workshop, so it is $12. I wanted to make it something that was so easy that you could just throw this on your credit card. So it's literally just $12 to learn how to create a 100K content sales system. And if you are serious about making six figures this year, this is the workshop for you. I cannot wait to see you there, whether you're coming May 19th at 8 p.m. Eastern or whether you're going to be coming later. Either way, this is going to be an amazing workshop for you, and I cannot wait to see you there.